What our eyes witness is not the real world. Several other amazing things are going on in this universe. Hey guys, we're back again. Today, you guys are going to watch something unique. In today's video, we'll show you the top 5 mysterious planets in the universe you might not know. Watch till the end to hear some captivating news about this mysterious universe. Before moving to the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates regarding our videos. Number 5. GJ1214b. Do you guys know that this one is located 40 years from Earth? And it's so huge that it is 3 times our planet, and its mass is 7 times Earth's mass. So huge, right? Just imagine, this unusual planet orbits its red dwarf star once every 38 hours and has an estimated 450 degree Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius temperature. But it isn't just the warm temperature that makes it weird. GJ1214b is essentially a giant water world enclosed by a dense and steamy atmosphere, according to 2012 research based on Hubble Space Telescope data. And because of all of this, it is a most likely candidate for being an ocean planet. Let's move on to the next one. Number 4. J1407b. Here, the next one is something that made us feel scary, because this planet has a gigantic ring system that could dominate our Earth's sky. Okay guys, it's just hypothetical. J1407b is an extrasolar planet in the constellation Centaurus, around 420 light-years from Earth. This world was discovered by the University of Rochester in Rochester, New York in 2012. This super Saturn's rings are 180 million kilometers wide. That's 200 times bigger than Saturn's rings and 150 times more significant than the Earth-Sun distance of 150 million kilometers. Without a doubt, this J1407b can be called the actual Lord of the Rings. Number 3. Planet 55 Cancere E. Next is something that girls are going to love. This will let them think about why they didn't know this earlier. And it's planet 55 Cancere E, known as a girl's best friend. 55 Cancere E is nothing more than a giant diamond orbiting a distant star. It was primarily carbon when 55 Cancere E was created, and thanks to the high pressure and heat from its parent star, it crashed into a gigantic, unpolished diamond. This diamond planet is so massive that it's been estimated to be worth a mind-boggling 26.9 nonillion USD, or approximately 384 quintillion times the Earth's GDP. But before you go out with the drill to find this diamond planet, keep in mind that 55 Cancere E is over 40 light-years away from Earth. And even if you were able to carry the diamonds back with you, the sheer volume of diamonds you would collect from the planet would quickly crash the diamond market on Earth, rendering your gems worthless. Number 2. WASP 17b. The upcoming one is a planet more significant than the Sun. We know each minute of this video is surprising you guys. We studied as a kid that Jupiter is the giant planet in the solar system, and now you guys are hearing about WASP 17b. WASP 17b is an exoplanet that circles an F-type star and is a gas giant. It has a mass of 0.78 Jupiters, takes 3.7 days to complete one circuit around its star, and orbits at a distance of 0.0515 AU. It was discovered in 2009 and was announced at the time. WASP 17b is substantially larger than Jupiter, although it barely possesses half of Jupiter's mass. Extra internal energy, heat, has led it to puff out, most likely due to the tides. WASP 17, the host star, has a radius of 1.4 times our Sun and is slightly hotter, being an F4 star. Number 1. Gliese 581c. When coming to planets, nothing is extraordinary like the Earth. It's obviously because human life is here only on Earth. This planet we're going to discuss now also gives us some hopes regarding supporting life. Let's check it out. Gliese 581c is a planet that astronomers believe may support life. Gliese 581c, on the other hand, is not your average planet, and even though it may theoretically host life, it has little resemblance to Earth. Gliese 581c circles a small red dwarf star, and because it is tidally locked, one side of the planet is constantly exposed to intense sunlight, while the other half is always buried in darkness. On Gliese 581c, the only area you or anything else could survive is in the narrow strip of twilight between the two sides, where the temperature is suitable for life. Gliese 581c's sky is a deep crimson, and every planet on the surface would have to rely on infrared light for photosynthesis. giving them a deep black tint instead of green. In 2008, a message was broadcast directly to Gliese 581c in the hopes of making contact with life there due to this planet's incredible potential for life. In 2029, the communication should arrive at Gliese 581c. Here, we're winding down. We're sure that you guys are amazed by knowing all of this. To keep getting surprised, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We'll be back with another great topic.